Alright, so here's the layout. That's where you walk in. Those doors will be coming off and a normal door will be going in. Those aren't standard. I have to kind of duck to get in here, so we'll have to find a work way around that. When you walk in, this is going to be the living room here. Couch is going to go here. TV up on this wall. Sorry if I'm out of breath, I've just been doing a lot down here. So as you walk in, just got some stuff stored down here right now. Trash. As you walk in, that's going to be the back of it. You walk in, the living room will go, this is about 3 feet right here, studs. I don't like the way it's done like that, but it's what I got, so I'm going to roll with it. Get down to here, somewhere along here, right here, is going to be the edge, so just imagine all down through here to there. It's going to be the living room. Right there is going to be a built-in closet in like this area right here. And as you come over, this area is going to be a little kitchen area with some counter stuff right here. Then as you go through, there's going to be a walkway right here. This is going to be the bathroom where we're at right now. Just got a table down here. You know, we have the essential right there. But there's going to be a walkway, there's going to be a door right here. And you walk into that, this will be the bedroom area. There's going to be a bed there, maybe a Murphy bed if I can get a cheap kit for that or build one. Here's going to be my computer setup where I make videos and all that. Then in here, there's going to be a door on like the kitchen area right about here, where there's going to be a door into the bathroom. I was going to do it over here, but I want a closet space right here just to store some stuff. So I'm going to put the door over here by the kitchen area. So that's pretty much it. It's a 12 by 28. So it's fairly large, but it's tiny enough that if I wanted to, I could move it somewhere. So yeah, that's the layout of it. Hope you guys enjoyed.